Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your photo into cartoon effect in Photoshop. It's really simple and easy. First of all, double click and select the image and import into the Photoshop. Now take the quick selection tool and select the image like this. Now hit Ctrl J to duplicate the selected part. Hide the bottom layer. Now it's time to apply the action. Go to window and open actions panel. Choose load actions like this and select this vector painting action. You can also download this action link in description below. Now hit load, action loaded. Select this action and hit on play button. It will take some time. And now we want to add cartoon background. So go to file and choose place and select any background you want. Just place it behind your subject. And as you can see, our photo has been turned into cartoon effect. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to turn your photo into cartoon effect in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.